Omushacu wito w'amakuru yaika y'ishomero rya Kangak SDA Primary School ahi yashanga umweji w'emyaka 16 yaba nakora ekibuzo cye cyo kubanza cyo kubara kandi ubwe yazaara mu Kasese k'eriizooba. Sylvia Mbambu omushahara w'Esumbu Health Center ya Kashatu owaika omwanya ogu kandi owachebera omwerere na nyina nagira ngo bona bina amagara marungi.
The baby has no problem. The code is okay. No any problem on the code. Her mother is also doing well. Also she has no problem.
We are still having more 2 pregnant girls. One was in P.5, one was in P.6. For them, they have not come to school. They are at home with their parents. We expect them to also to give birth anytime.
Omweji ogu hamwe na nyina nibagira ngu yamara kuhika ebigezo byebi naija kugumiza muno kushoma.
Tikyalekere naye nga nibwe ndasomya abantu bane munyitura kwa bitandi ambo mwana kyalekere namute ku masukuru nga nikinaganire naryo ese hano akebya bekikoro akebya maraba nga mutulipizi and asoma ayongarayo.
George Mayinjo rukure ebyo bwegesa habwa Kasese nagira ngo hariho ndijo omweji owaba nayenda kuzaara.
Like Kasangari SDA, there is one girl who produced last night at 11 p.m. Well, I've not yet known the sex of the baby, but we encouraged that girl to come and sit her exams, and she was able to sit her exams, the morning papers.
Another girl is just around the school. She's also pregnant. We expect her also to give birth anytime.
Omuganda makuru nko muringo gumwe go kukinjira kujanjara kw'ekirwire cha Ebola government nenda ngo byaza kubebera 25 byo kwezoku amashomero gasini hamwe na primary kwetoro rihanga ryona gabe gahendire tamu ya Kashatu. Ekincije obwanyuma yo kutunga abarwire ba Ebola 23 mu mashomero 5 ago muri Kampala wakiso hamwe na Mubende.
The Ministry of Education and Sports together with the Ministry of Works and Transport will issue guidelines on measures to follow during transportation of learners in order to avoid congestion at bus and taxi parks.
Twagambaho n'abantu batari bamwe na bamwe okutebiteekateko byabo ahanshongeji
n'amazima endwara eriyo kandi bari babingira bahumure baze omumaka gabo nabendwara ne basa kubasangayo yariyo kubashangayo bakurikira abana bihanga bakashoma bakahenderaje bakata ayarwara nangishomero yarwara bakare kubakitwaza kunka abana mazima ticyaba kirungi
abo kwano oreba mbajyangu endwara yebora aba yakwata abantu 10 ntabasa kukiraho bashatu mwene cyo noreba ngo Chicago miserezebwa notekwa kutaho muringo ogukurengo watangire endwara kandi umuringo gurungi ogwamangumango bwo kutangira endwara no kugira ngo abana bagende buri omwe azowishe na nyina mubazire babo.
Frederick Tumuhirwa umukuru w'ishomero rya Ghana Matters Primary School aho muri Mbara nagira ngo ikintu kija kweraho okwerinda Ebola.
No twakumura ibirabiro na bitanu ko government yatebekanisa ninde bantu yija kuterera mu makuguru kwisha ntutandakaje mu classes baratebwe mu abana bitwa
bakemerera bagira ngo abana batembe birasi twalujuru mu COVID-19 icyatumye bagira ngo batembe birasi abo kwa babo kandi bashoma iwo takagira ngo bakagira ngo mutembe birasi mutashombira oweye akana ashoma omwijikuru akaba nashoma omutabani akaba nashoma konko wawata kushoma bayemera bajanga ngo muntu aruge muco kumanza zo mushakashatu ni watera umungaro konka wahebwa ngo wazo mushakashatu no mwana utire nashoma buri izoba owawasta mu mukari kugiye ibinyogo bitakuri yaba bwine bitu
kandi imo community mu manyango abana bo kujo mu byaro byanyu naye abari umwana wa marano ningasha umwana wa umunyabazare wa abana abo nabana biki bihanga wareba hiyanda kushobya ningahiwa kumushango mbyombezo muhweri
abazireho nabasha bo kurinda abana babo obutajarajara baba bahumwire aha bwa TV West the Air Akiza na Gilbert Mahanguzi.